So this is a Novalock Smart Padlock. Come with key and panic remote control. So before need to check any people the fingerprint press and free to access and check your key. So key is a success for the in-house, one unit emergency and another keep on your outside for the car something. Okay, download the Novalock apps, add or lock. So press and add. So successful. NPL. So and add your remote control. Press and hold 5 seconds. Successful. So okay, check your battery life for your remote control. So press. So add your fingerprint. Next. So successful. So can put the apps click unlock. Or can add the Wi-Fi gateway. This is a long distance click unlock. So or can add additional optional. Can add the wireless keypad. This is for the optional. So wireless keypad. Press flashlight. Next. Add the wireless keypad. Okay. Successful to set. So this is function when offline you can generate the passcode. This is I turn off my Bluetooth already, so you can generate times 1 time. So let's say for the Airbnb 1 day. So just now need to check in, name, generate. So can share for many things, for SMS, WhatsApp. So after that you can press 4, 7 or custom your privacy passcode. 1, 2, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, so custom passcode setting with the Bluetooth turn on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Complete. Okay, this is password not accept because need a 6-digit from. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the passcode you can check for the record. Before is the time passcode. So 7, 6, 5, 2, 9, 4, 7.